My name is Connor Myers. I'm doing the Purpose Pekka Kucha presentation. Purpose statement is to make a lot of money to give my family a dream life and to never have to check my bank account for budgeting. My personal goal is leading my family to better themselves. Career goal is attaining a major job for SpaceX, and my educational goal is to graduate with a master's in engineering. Long-term goal statement. I will get a job as a computer engineer by the time I'm 25 years old with my college degree. I want to work for Elon Musk. SpaceX pays well and I will be able to be part of the future achievements with space exploration. I want to make six figures at a young age so I can build up to become a millionaire by 30. By having a job with SpaceX as an engineer, especially with a master's, I almost have a guaranteed chance on making six figures right off the bat. I've always had an interest in space and I always wanted to change this world for the better. So by being in SpaceX, I believe I can do that with space exploration. I figured that by making six figures by 25 would give me enough time to get a million combined with all my other sources of income. Obstacles. Failing classes to potentially push back my graduation date, SpaceX going out of business, and no available positions with the company. Using the strengths, strategic and futuristic, would help me with those obstacles by planning to find another company close to SpaceX goal, pay range, and make sure I take extra classes either in the next semester or in the summer. Intermediate goal statement. I will get AAA within a year while maintaining a 3.5 GPA or higher. Direct transfer to UCF, more impressive resume while getting harder and more paying jobs while attending college, a step closer to graduating college. By attaining an AA, I can start looking for internships with SpaceX, which would higher my chances with getting in with their company at a younger age. I believe that getting my AA would be a milestone in my life while marking the middle of my college life. Obstacle 2. Failing my classes I need to finish the prerequisites, not studying and getting grades lower than A or B. The strengths I believe that will help me get past these obstacles would be Activator and social intelligence. Activator would be for finding shortcuts or ways to work smarter, not harder. And social intelligence would be for knowing when to be social so I can study when I need to. Short-term goal statement. To find a job or internship to gain experience and money to pay for my home. I need money to be able to live in my home for the rest of the year so I can move into a cheaper location. Get a first look at what my career will look like at once I get a job as an engineer. Give me something to do while I have free time. Goal explanation 3. I don't have all the money to live for free and pay for college, so I need a job or pay internship to pay for those things. A lot of the time I have free time and I'd rather have some sort of progress towards lowering my stress. I think it's important to know what you'll be doing for the most of your life before you start it so that you don't end up making a mistake. Obstacle 3. Not getting accepted in any business or firms. Jobs not being able to work around my schedule. I believe strengths, Woo, and communication really help with these problems because I know how to communicate well and negotiate for a better chance to get those jobs. For Woo, I am good at getting on people's good side to change their minds. The finale. Valencia will help me put me on the right path to not only attain my AA but also get into UCF with no academic problems. The first step towards my goal would be for me to pass all my current classes with A's so that I can begin to leave Valencia with a higher GPA. Thank you.